Recovering deleted WhatsApp messages can be a bit tricky, but there's a few methods that's going to help you retrieve the lost chats. The most common way to recover deleted messages is through WhatsApp backup feature. So basically, WhatsApp automatically backs up chats to cloud services, such as Google Drive for Android users and iCloud for iPhone users. If you haven't yet set up the backups and the messages were deleted after the last backup, you can restore the backup to retrieve the deleted chats. To recover from a backup, first uninstall WhatsApp from your phone and then reinstall it from the App Store. Now, during the process, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chats from the most recent backup. If the backup includes the deleted messages, they will be restored. Another option is to check your phone's notification history. Sometimes notifications from WhatsApp may still display content of deleted messages, depending on your device and its settings. Some Android devices allow you to access past notifications with third-party apps, but this method isn't always reliable. There are also third-party tools that claim to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, though they often require rooting or jailbreaking for your device. So that's gonna, it avoids, it can avoid warranty or cause a security risk. So always use caution with such tools.